Okay, so today we're adjusting the ride height of this vehicle because, let me show you. That's a no-go in my book. And what we're gonna put on this mamalona is this, like coilover, tein flex coilovers. So these are three-way adjustable. We have dampening, we have the preload, and the ride height right here. Jack up this vehicle. Oh yeah. And loosen this. I mean, we're gonna take off the wheel soon. Now that we have the wheel off, we're gonna hold it.
Hey bro, shouldn't we use the jack stand?
So now we're gonna loosen the sway bar link because that's not gonna allow us a lot of free play when we try to take the shock off. It's a 14 mil. Put this mamalona here. That's, you loosen the sway bar link, the sway bar link's free. Now we get to do the top bolts. Like I said before, 14 mil. Alright, so we're gonna take the top ball joint out, but it's rusted as heck. So we're gonna use my trusty hammer. Hopefully I can break it. So I finally grew a pair and I whacked it as hard as I could. And voila! Finally, after freaking almost 3 hours of struggling. There you go. We put this shit back on there. Save our length and just junk it. bolt off. A whole day's worth of us struggling. We finally did it.